So guys, once you load into the website, you'll be presented with a pop-up. You can just close it. Click on part 2. You will be provided with the face selection page. You can click on the questions that you want to simulate. For example, we'll select 2 from each. And then finally we click on start exam. Once you click on the start exam button, you will be given with your flight information, the aircraft details, frequencies, there are departure frequencies, and the weather information for that session. There is also the session start time, that is in UTC. Here you can see your aircraft registration, the departure aerodrome, the destination aerodrome, the aircraft type, the stand that you're on, endurance of the aircraft, the filed flight level, the runway in use, the route, the waypoints within the route, POB. We have information November, the current METAR, QNH that we assigned with the ATC. The part 1 page consists of multiple chapters where you can practice for your RTR part 1 exam. It is divided into multiple chapters and you have one sample test at the very bottom.